Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at my newest Nordstrom Trunk Club box. I received it a few days before the end of the year. I had requested some layering pieces for the colder months that are ahead for us here in Texas. Usually January, February. We have a couple of colder days. They put a little set together with different layering materials. We'll see what they come up with. I also chose a few extra items. I will point them out to you as we go through the trunk. Enjoy! So if you're not familiar with the Trunk Club, it is a service that Nordstrom provides where a stylist will put together a trunk for you. You have an app that you communicate with the stylist through it. They make it super easy. This month, you might decide that all you want to look at is shirts or a specific type of coat, or you have a special event. So you can let them know in preparation for the trunk what it is that you expect that month. And you can have them schedule every month or maybe on demand, only as needed. The stylist fee of $25 is refunded to you if you purchase an item. If you use the Nordstrom credit card to pay for it, the fee is completely waived. For every single box that I bought so far, I have actually bought something. I have not been charged a fee, and also I use my Nordstrom card to pay for it. So the stylist fee is just a non-issue for me. But if I were to decide not to keep anything because I use my Nordstrom Club to have my subscription under, they would not charge me for the $25. I could send my entire box back and pay for nothing. The Trunk Club is ideal for people who either are too far from a Nordstrom in order to purchase something, or they don't like to buy online, or they like the convenience of having somebody put together outfits for you, or people like me who truly just don't enjoy going to the mall or to a store to shop for clothes. That's not my thing. A third part of the Trunk Club, and none of these are all different pieces, but if you choose to, you can join what is called the Nordy Club. And in order to join the Nordy Club, you just have to sign up for it and apply for the Nordstrom credit card. And the Nordy Club affords you several extras, which are really fun, like, you know, special events or $200 in adjustments that you might need. Say your pants are too long and you need them hemmed, that will be free or part of your $200 credit. There are lots of benefits of belonging to that. I just think it's ideal. I really enjoy it, and I get a box pretty much every month, and sometimes I try to get 2 boxes a month if there's a special event. Like I said, I don't have to purchase everything, but I always find something I want. So super fun. Truly an enjoyable experience for me, and I don't get overwhelmed because, say, if I go to a store, there's just so much to see, I don't even know where to start. I can also get trendier items or looks that are fashionable at the moment. It is nice to know that what you're wearing is at least being worn in this decade. If you decide to try it out, just use my code in the description, and that code will give you a $50 credit right off the bat, so that, you know, if you find a shirt for $50, you'll end up getting it for free. The cool thing is, once you are a member of the Nordy Club, you can actually share that code with your friends. They're using your code, you get $50 credit, and so do they. They call them notes, not credit, but you know what I mean. All right, enjoy the show. One of the real fun things about having a stylist work with you is that they will look at clothes that you already bought through them and try to buy pieces or put pieces in the collection that will go with said outfits. My next 3 outfits, I'll be wearing these pants that I bought in one of my trunks with these shoes that I also bought in one of my trunks. And I will just be changing the tops, and the jacket is the third piece that I had requested. So the first piece is this gorgeous jacket. Simply lovely. Lots of buttons and pockets. It's like a Parka material. Nice and long enough to wear in colder climates. It's more like a windbreaker. The second piece is this top, and I don't like the breadth of the openness right here because I would have to wear special undergarments. It pinches where I don't have that on this side. This side right here has a pinch on the zipper. And I'm thinking maybe it's just a little too tight. Little puffy sleeves, and this is a gorgeous detail, like the buttons with the little fluff. I really like that about this outfit. So the second top is this Rumple polyester. It's not silk. That means like it has like a little crunched up look to it. A deep V-neck. It's Vince Camuto. I don't love the color, I must say, but pink, there are some shades of pink that I prefer. This is not one of it. It's too cold, even though I am sure it looks fabulous with my gray hair, but it's just reminds me of Pepto-Bismol. But it is a lovely get up. I think anybody would look super put together with a casual Rumple top such as this. I like it. For this next top, it is gorgeous, but it is polyester. It's from this brand. I'll put the name right here. It is a much more expensive top than the ones that I usually buy. I think that if I'm paying that much for something, it should be at least silk or some noble material, natural fiber. The cut is really deep, so I would have to pin it right here. And I'll put a picture of many of my lovely CeCe tops, which are polyester as well, but are a fraction of the price of this top. I might experiment with this brand in the future, and I do want to show the details. There's lots of, you know, nice and flouncy different folds right here, which are lovely. A tied knot in the front. But at the end of the day, it's just another feminine top for nearly $400 when I can get a CeCe top that is just as feminine for, I don't know, 60, 80. I will not be keeping this, but I will be experimenting with this brand in the future. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe so you can see other tops like this and think if that's something that you would like. Originally, they had put another top on my basket on the app, and I nixed it because I didn't like it, and I thought this was more my colors and my type of print. I'm very specific. If I'm wearing print, I really have to like the pattern. Let's take a look. A faux suede jacket cut from the cloth. It feels amazing. It really does feel nice. Like the quality is really good for the price. I think it's a little small for me. It feels a little tight and snug, but it is lovely, and I just picked this one out as a substitution as well. This is the one. This top is just so comfortable, super cozy, perfect for every day. Dress you up just a little bit to run your errands if you don't have to be super dressed up. Super cute. Love it. I think the price is reasonable. I might be keeping it. I don't know how much longer I'll be able to wear these puffed sleeves. Maybe by next year, who knows, next winter I won't be able to wear it. So I'll consider that. But I think that this dark gray is a great color with my hair. I think as my basic dark, this would be an ideal color. Of course, black or this dark gray, just ideal for my gray and black hair. So if you have the same pattern or colors, olive skin, I think this is a great color and a great top to have in your collection. And then for good measure, they sent me a CeCe top. I just love this brand. You can see a collection of CeCe tops on this video right here, right after this one. I do have several of their tops. I think they're feminine. They're still not silk. The style is lovely and the price is reasonable. So I really like this one. Now this outfit is me. It's a little mixture of casual and dressy. This dress is just simply gorgeous. I have several that look very similar from my J. Crew collection of dresses. The third layer is this super casual but yet feminine little silky, I don't know, I'm sure it's polyester, but it is lined, has pockets, just a little extra layer that will keep me just warm enough for here for Texas, and I could wear it with jeans and I can dress it up a pretty outfit like this. I'm wearing it with my over the knee boots that were gifted to me by a dear friend. So they're Vince Camuto, and let me walk away so you can see what I got for you. I probably will wear Spanx as undergarments for this dress, just to give me a little bit of a more defined or feminine waistline. So this is a CeCe dress, and I don't particularly like it because it has that muumuu cut, and because I am large chested, the front will be a little higher than the back, so I don't like that. But this is an outfit that they put together, and I thought it was lovely. So far this box has been very lovely. I'll show the dress without the jacket. They usually put about 10 items, and then you can select about 3 other items to add to your trunk. So the ones that I selected this time were a pair of pajamas. Nothing to write home about. I don't like, maybe if you wash them, it feels kind of like it has sizing on it, so maybe it would be softer. It is from the Nordstrom brand, and it's just a little pair of pajamas with red. I just always think that red or orange looks great with cheetah. Then I found these little footsie socks that seem super cozy for the next couple of months. I could use it. They have grips and fleece inside, or I'm not sure what this material is, but they are just lovely, inexpensive. It would have made great stocking stuffers. And finally, I am keeping these. These are very inexpensive. It is a set of a little hat and a scarf that I'll probably wear. Oh, the scarf even has a pocket that I will wear when I walk my dog. So I hope you enjoyed the collection that was sent to me today, and give it a try. And don't forget, use the link below so that you get a $50 credit on the purchase of whatever item you choose from your Trunk Club box. Super fun. See you next week.